Meaning of dissect.
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 Dissect. The word dissect refers to the act of carefully cutting apart something in order to examine and understand its internal structure, often with the purpose of gaining knowledge or solving a problem. When someone dissects something, they typically use various tools and techniques to thoroughly analyze all its parts and components. The result of a successful dissection is a detailed understanding of the object's composition and function, which can be applied to various fields such as medicine, biology, and engineering.